Hello viewers, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are surviving your life very happily. I'm also happy here and through this video I'm going to describe and I'm supposed to describe a completely new story, and this is one of the stories that most of us don't and we don't have a familiarity regarding the plot of that particular story, which is supposed to be elaborated by me through this video. And there are many who knows and who have the familiarity about the description of the story. So the name of the story is the secret letter. What the name of the story is a secret letter. And like other content creators and the people and the ones who create videos on the platforms that includes YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, they what is their what they demand mostly, what is their demand that that each of them want from their viewers is your attention and concentration. Without attention and concentration, you all know that whatever we do, we can't implement it properly and can't make it done properly. So give your proper concentration and attention, by the help of which you can understand regarding the description of that particular story of the secret letter. So let's get started for the description or the narration of that of that particular story. The story begins with the introduction of a 14-year-old school going boy whose name was Rohan, and nearby the house of Rohan there was a hut in which a boy whose name was Aryan, and he was also in the same age as Rohan, and Aryan was studying in the same class as Rohan, and they used to go to school together. Aryan was a father by profession or occupation a farmer, and Rohan's father is a carpenter. Uh, they both Aryan and Rohan used to go to school together, and they used to come back from school to their hometown and homeland together. One day, due to a silly mistake, only for a silly mistake, I'm sorry that I have to take a pause only for a few moments, as someone is returning by a bicycle, taking one of his son and wife behind him. So I'm sorry for keeping you waiting in this video. So by the way, let's come to the topic of the discussion from where I have ended the video or terminated. Aryan's father is a carpenter, as I have mentioned in this video. And one day, due to a silly misunderstanding, Rohan decided that he would not talk to Aryan forever. And Aryan also, when Aryan found that Rohan is neglecting him and avoiding him, Aryan also fixed it strictly that he would not even talk to Rohan anymore. But let me tell you one thing, before their friendship got broken, there was a massive density in their friendship. There would not a single day spent by them in which they did not talk to each other, laugh each other, and hug each other. And as their friendship got broken, Aryan one day, after playing cricket nearby the playground of his house, Aryan in the evening returned his home and sat in front of his study table. And when he was about and supposed to study and complete his home lessons that were provided by his respective teachers of respective subjects, Aryan was just about to start his home lessons and go through his home lessons. He found a mysterious envelope that was on the table. He did not even see any kind of letter before, and when he was about to undo the letter, he was hesitating and he was feeling nervous that should I open it, how it had come into my table. After making courage and making himself courageous and finding courage in himself, Aryan opened the letter and found, on the envelope of the letter, only two words were written. Two words were for and you. F or for and Y O U. Only two words were written on the top of the letter. And when Aryan opened and undone the letter, there was written four lines. You know what were the four lines? What you have decided about Rohan, you have to repent forever just because of a silly mistake. Don't break your extreme friendship. This was the four lines Aryan found written on the inside the letter or on the letter. Then Aryan understand that though Aryan did not know the whereabouts, and the whereabouts were not known to Aryan very well, and tomorrow. When Aryan went to school, he found Rohan standing in front of the school gate and going to Rohan. Aryan Rohan was actually okay. Let me have a pay. Sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you wait. Sometimes this video is being made in acid, so some people by vehicles coming and going, so it making me disturbed during my creation and manufacture of this video. So when Aryan found Rohan leaning against the gate of the school, at first Aryan was thinking and took a pause that should I go to Rohan to talk to him, and after sometime he realized that what we have what I have decided yesterday and what had been decided by me yesterday at night, I will be stick to that. I'm not going to be back to from my promises that had been predicted and beforehand fixed by me last night. Aryan went to Rohan, and Rohan was at first uh, silent. He remained silent for a few moments, but they both together spoke to each other and shook their hands and hugged, and they talked to each other. And from them, Aryan narrated and described the whole incident that had happened to him, and Rohan was also surprised. And Rohan told, brother, what is the reason behind all this? Because the density and even the universe don't want to make ourselves stay separated. This is why we all are now together and spending this moment very happily. So this was my story. I don't know how was my performance and how was my service in my video. So please tell me and let me know how you liked it, and if there is any mistake, I don't know actually that during my speaking, how was my face expressions and how I talk. Again, a bike just have left. Sorry for all this, for the disturbance. Thank you again for stay engaged with me until you at least until you find the termination of this video. Thank you.